1B was reading, in a geometric progression, the third term is 16 and the fifth term is 4. Calculate the first term and the common ratio, which was carrying 3 marks. So for you to calculate, this is from the topic geometric progression. So for you to find the first term, you can use the information given in the question. You have been given the third term, which is 16, and the fifth term, which is 4. So this will help us solve this the first part of the question, which carries 3 marks. Find the first term and the common ratio. So we have the formula, which is Tn is equal to AR n minus 1. So given the terms, we have the third term, which is 16. So we say T3 should give us 16. So the third term is giving us 16, which is equal to our R, which we don't know, the common ratio. The third term, which is 3 minus 1. Then we have the third term is saying 16. Yes, 3 minus 1, which is going to give us 16 is equal to AR to the power 2. This will be our first equation. We can come up with the second equation for the fifth term, which would be fifth term is 14, or it's 4. So we say 4 is equal to AR, where there's n, say 5 minus 1, and we're going to have 4 is equal to AR to the power 4. This is our second equation. We're going to use this same equation to find the value for 2 by r squared over r squared, and we'll have A is equal to 16 over r squared. We'll substitute this into the second equation. So we'll say 4 is equal to, wherever there's A, we substitute with 16 over r squared. 16 over r squared, and that will give us times r to the power 4. So this can cancel. 16 and this one will remain to the power 2. Therefore we say 4 is equal to 16 r squared. To remain with r, we divide through by 16 over 16 over 16. So we have 4, and this can be reduced to, let's say, 1 over 4 is equal to r squared. And the square root, when it will be, in short, let's enumerate it like this: r is equal to the root of 1 over 4, which is equal to 1 over 2, or 0.5. We found the value for r. The value for r has been found, and the next thing is we can use this same to find the value for A. You can pick any of the 2 equations which we have here. So let's say we pick on this equation, which is here, equation 2. We have 4 is equal to AR to the power 4. So 4 is equal to our A, which we don't know. Then the R is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 to the power 4. So 4 is equal to A 1 over 2 to the power 4, which will be equal to, this one when you expand it, it will be this, and we're going to have 4 is equal to A 1 over 16. And when you cross multiply this, 16 times 4 is giving us 64. Therefore the value for A is equal to 64. That's our first term. We have found the first part of the question, which carries 3 marks. By doing so, you get all the full 3 marks. For more maths revision questions, You can follow me on Facebook and like my page, which is showing on the screen, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also send questions, any questions to the WhatsApp line on the screen. We can help each other and solve the questions in mathematics. Let's pass and get that distinction in mathematics together.